That's a good cat.
Small. Look up here and small. There you go. That was a good one.
Hell yeah, that's what happened.
Flash.
Oh, shoot. I need to take my
That's alright.
No, I don't want my flash on. Shit, what the light.
She need a burp.
You can just sit her up if you want.
To just be jiggled around or whatever. You'll learn that.
No time for the movie theater?
She
See the
without
hottest
flash
movies
in.
right here. Thrillers,
Look at those
comedies,
cheeks.
romance. Your entertainment starts now. Press menu.
You can burp and puke on Daddy's hand.
Yeah, I think she's grown those cheeks since she spit out of the hospital. I don't think they were that big in the
I'm
hospital.
watching Brian just barely tap her back. You know what? Sometimes you just have to go like this. But that is so cute. You really have to. Good Lord.
I noticed it yesterday when he was burping. It was very cute.
Oh,
Stay in and watch a movie. Press menu now for a complete list of dramas,
look at that face on her.
There's always
That's
something
cute.
new. Traveling with the kids. Put your mind at ease. Press menu and look under guest services for parental control.
Is she making bubbles?
I think so.
Hilton Honors turns ordinary hotel stays into free hotel nights, vacations, and more. Enroll at the front desk and start receiving credit toward your first free night with this stay. There's only one guest loyalty program this rewarding. Points and miles and no blackout days.
She is making bubbles. Are you playing over there?
Oh, Misty will just love seeing, and Maggie, these videos. Maggie won't see them this week, I'm sure. She's too busy.
Yeah.
There's always something new.
No burp.
Misty will be on there in a second.
What? New video? Clickety clack clack clack.
No time for the movie theater? See the hottest movies right here. Thrillers, comedies, romance. Your entertainment starts now. Press menu.
Oh, that big old belly.
Put your mind at ease.
Ain't a lot.
Press menu and look under guest services for
Oh,
parental
sleepy.
controls to block adult
Oh, look at that. If that's not just precious.
That was really cute.
choosing to stay with us. Please let us know if we can assist you in enjoying your stay.
Oh,